Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect PHP with MySQL database. We will see the simple and easy way how to connect PHP with MySQL database. So in the last video we have made a database in PHP admin. The database name is PHP data and the table inside the database is whose name is register. So coming to our IDE, we will create a new file. First we will close these. Now save this file as connect.php. So the basic syntax of PHP. Now in order to connect to database, MySQL database, we have to provide four parameters to connect function. First parameter is the server name, and second is the username, third is the password, and the fourth one is database name. So first of all we will create four variables: server underscore name, and its value will be localhost, user underscore name, and its value will be username is root, and this password password is nothing. We have to pass this as empty parameter, and the last one is db name. We have to provide four parameters. First one is server name, and the second one is username, and the third one is password, and the last one is database name. So these are the four parameters which we have to provide. In our case, the name of database is PHP data. So now we can connect to our database. So this was the four parameters. Now we have to create a connection. Now we are eligible to create a connection with database. So we will write a comment here: create connection with database. Now we will create a variable con stands for connection here, and it will be equal to new MySQLi and then these four parameters: username, then password, and then database name. Now we will check the connection. Check if connection is created. We will write simply if dollar of connection, and this syntax connect error, then we will simply use this function, dive function. We have to provide a parameter here, database not connected. So what we have done, we have first created a connection with database, then we have checked whether the connection is made with database or not. So for checking the connection, what we have done, we have simply written here connection uh, will call this connection error function. If some error has occurred, then what will happen, this message will be displayed, and everything it will take care of everything. This dive function is used if some error occurs while making connection with database. Now else we will echo created successfully. So let us save this and let's come to browser. Connect.php, connection created successfully. So let's revise the code. First, in order to connect to database, what we have to do, we have to provide four parameters to this function MySQLi. So first is server name, second is username, password, and database name. So if everything is alright, then you can see connection will be created. If something is wrong, then it will give us message database not connected. So if we give this incorrect name of this database, so we will see what will happen. Warning, database not connected. Unknown database, PHP DAA. So let us correct this. Access denied for this. You can see if we made a single mistake here, we will not be able to connect to database. So if everything is alright, then happily we can connect to database. So please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Tech Profile. Thank you.